Title of the story is The Little Seed's Big Dream. In a magical forest, there lived a tiny seed named Johnny. Johnny was a dreamer, but being so small, it often felt discouraged. While other seeds settled comfortably into the ground, Johnny dreamed of something greater. "I want to become the tallest and most magnificent tree in the whole forest," Johnny would whisper to the wind. One sunny morning, as Johnny lay on the forest floor, a wise old tree named Oakley noticed the little seed. With a gentle smile, Oakley said, "Little one, every big dream starts with a small seed. You have the potential to become anything you desire, as long as you believe in yourself." Johnny's heart swelled with hope. From that day on, Johnny decided to nurture its dream. It began to gather sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil. It wasn't always easy, as storms would come and winds would blow, but Johnny held onto its dream, never giving up. Seasons passed, and Johnny grew into a small sapling. It faced challenges, like competing for sunlight with taller plants, but Johnny persisted. Every setback only fueled its determination to grow stronger. It spread its roots wide and its branches high, reaching for the sky. As time went on, Johnny's efforts paid off. It became a young tree, admired by all the creatures in the forest. Other plants looked up to it, and animals sought shade under its branches. Johnny had turned its dream into reality. It was indeed the tallest and most magnificent tree in the forest, just as it had envisioned. One day, as Johnny enjoyed the company of its forest friends, it noticed a little seed lying on the ground nearby. Remembering its own journey, Johnny smiled and shared its story of perseverance, hope, and growth. "Believe in yourself," Johnny told the young seed. "No dream is too big if you work hard, stay determined, and never give up." And so, the little seed listened to Johnny's tale and took root with newfound hope. It began its own journey, facing challenges and setbacks, but always keeping Johnny's story in its heart. With time, care, and unwavering belief, that little seed grew into a tree that stood tall and strong, inspiring others with its own story of growth and determination. And so, the cycle continued in the magical forest. Seeds turned into trees, dreams turned into reality, and each new generation learned from the stories of those who came before. The tale of Johnny, the little seed with a big dream, remained a cherished story that reminded everyone that even the tiniest dream, when nurtured with determination and belief, could reach great heights.